Hey, if you need a first aid kit, especially one that you can take with you if you're going to be out camping, hiking, anything like that, this one right here, I want to share with you all the things you need to know about it. First thing I really like is this is not just a small little hard plastic case one. It comes in this nice carrying bag here. And the cool thing about this is it has these straps on the back here. You can easily put this onto a backpack. You can put this onto a tactical vest, onto a MOLLE panel in the back of your seat of your truck or anything like that. It's going to be very easy to take with you. You can actually, it has this Velcro front to it that you can see, so other things can be Velcroed to it. It has this nice handle here. But that's just the case. Let's take a look, and more importantly, what's inside. All right, when you first open it up, this is what it looks like. You have some lubricated jelly right there. First aid burn cream. You got a couple of those. Has this little extra pouch right here. This has a lot of bandages in it. Disposable gloves. It has this little marker here. Got some tape. In here, it has a bunch of alcohol pads. All right, so this is a mouth-to-mouth to help with resuscitation. So you can put that in there. Tighten it up. You have yourself a small tourniquet. Elastic bandages here. All right, what is this? This is a trauma wound dressing emergency bandage. This one is vacuum sealed. Gives you instructions here on how to open that up. That's very nice. You don't get this in every type of emergency kit. Occlusive adhesive dressing for open chest wounds. So hopefully you never need this, but you do get a couple of these. And you're going to get some trauma pads here. They gave you that marker. You could write on here. So that way when you do get to someone like EMS, a hospital, something like that, you can have this all filled out to better aid them. This is a nasopharyngeal airway. Burn dressings. All right, let's see what's in the box. And we have a pocket knife that could help aid you in that. And if need be, it does have a glass breaker on it. Opens up. Do you have a pair of small bandage scissors right there? Compressed gauze. So right now this actually feels quite hard. Once that again is vacuum sealed, sure that will lighten up a lot. Let's look at these. We have an emergency rescue blanket. First aid splinting. So maybe you end up with a broken, or someone has a broken bone, something like that. You can splint the arm, the leg. Shows you how to do that right there too. I like the pictures. This one has a triangular bandage as well, so you can make a sling. And we have eye pads, sterile gauze pad, and what? We have the eye shield. And then you have a little booklet here in case you are unfamiliar with how to use all these things. Well, there you go. There's everything that comes inside this. This is not just your standard everyday first aid kit. This could be used by professionals as well. This has a lot of things in it that other first aid kits just do not have that can be very important when giving first aid to someone. So if you're looking for a nice first aid kit, whether you're a professional or you're going to be out in the wilderness, going out somewhere where you're going to maybe be quite a distance from being able to get some emergency help. I really like this first aid kit. I do like the case that it comes in. It comes with all the stuff that you saw, plus more room to add things that you want. So if you're looking for a nice emergency kit, this is it.